This is the final video to fix the "this feature requires removable media" error, and if Windows keeps asking you for USB or DVD media, even though you don't need it, stay with me. I'll give you every easy fix so you can solve it for sure. This is Rexish. Are you also getting this error when trying to install an optional feature like .NET Framework, RSAT, handwriting tools, or language packs? This happens when Windows can't find the installation files. It usually comes from disabled features download, corrupted component store, or Windows trying to load files from old USB or ISO sources. Most fixes online are confusing, but when I faced this problem, I solved it with one simple trick. First, enable features download. Go to Settings, System, Optional Features, and make sure Download Installation Files from Windows Update is turned on. If this is off, Windows asks for removable media. Next, open Windows Update Settings and install any pending updates. Missing update files often block optional features. After that, repair the component store. Open Command Prompt as admin and run dsm/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth. Then run sfc/scan now. This replaces missing setup files, so Windows stops asking for USB drives. Now clear old installation paths. Press 1+ or type pedit.msc, then go to Computer Configuration Administrative Templates